3, 2, 1.
Hello and welcome to this month's HID TV. I'm here with Mas Kosaka from Next Generation Security Solutions provider PCSC at their corporate headquarters in Los Angeles. As a supplier of fully integrated access control products, PCSC has been an Advantage HID channel partner since the program began. For this episode, Mas and I are going to talk a little bit about PCSC's relationship with HID. Hi Mas, welcome to HID TV. Tell me a little bit about PCSC and your business.
PCSC started in 1983 from an offshoot of TRW and Card Key Systems. The founders were the old technology people for standard access control, but primarily in the government sector. In doing that, we decided to go and branch out to the commercial sector and did a lot of commercial projects. But one of the things that we found out was that technology wasn't the best when it comes to our security industry. So we try to be the leaders in the industry by coming out with new products and new things in general.
Tell me about the breadth of HID products that you integrate into your security solutions.
We pretty much, I think, take everything and integrate it, from the readers to the edge product. Mm-hmm. We also initially provided the Fargo printers by itself, and then when the Assure ID program came on, mm-hmm. we actually helped, I think, with the Assure SDK and things like that, what we expected from a developer standpoint, mm-hmm. and worked very closely with them and provided what we think is a very good SDK.
PCSC was one of the earliest partners to join the Advantage HID Channel Partner Program. What enticed you to become a member?
A lot of it was the ability to create a better product for our end users, and also to see, as I mentioned before, we really target being the leaders of technology. Mm-hmm. And be able to do that, we really need to know and get some help from HID on where you're going. Mm-hmm. And when we've done that, the relationship that we've had, James Reno has been a really big help for us, and that's one of the key persons that really helped us to be able to move our products from FT into the Edge product and to the new Evo product, mm-hmm. As well as being able to take the program to the end users too, and say, look, here's where we're going, and here's where HID is going. Does that fit, your goals for security in the future? And it really helps to be able to use the HID name, mm-hmm. as a good credibility. This is their avenue. This is our avenue. We're going in parallel, not in opposite directions. And the end users like that, and we've been very successful with that.
Good. Tell me a little bit about the value that HID can offer you and your customers that other companies cannot.
A lot of it is the fact that you stand by your product. We've had instances where, all companies have issues. We've had issues with cards one time, and HID has basically stepped up and said, you know what, how many cards do they have? Get it replaced. Customer's very happy. And that's always been the good part of HID, where they back their products up. Mm-hmm. And that's kind of where we said, because they've never backed out on the product or backed out on the customer, we're going to maintain that relationship.
Good, good. I'm glad you see value in that. Mas, thank you for joining us today and sharing your views.
All right, thank you very much, Doug.